Is your left headphone quieter than your right? Are the stereo channels swapped? The free headphone and speaker test at keyboardtester.click checks your audio output in seconds. No software download needed. The most common audio problem is one channel being much quieter or completely silent. Sometimes the channels are swapped. What should come from the left comes from the right. Crackling at certain frequencies usually points to a driver or cable issue. All of these are easy to check with a dedicated stereo test. Open the headphone and speaker test and push your headphones on. Click the left channel test. Sound should only come from your left ear. Then test the right. If you hear from the wrong side or get no sound at all, the issue is confirmed. The frequency sweep test will reveal crackling at specific frequency ranges. Run the headphone and speaker test free at keyboardtester.click. Works with headphones, speakers, and earbuds. No software needed.